Welcome to day 19 of the Momentum Blueprint, and today we're talking about one of the most powerful, misunderstood, and avoided tools in digital marketing, going live on social media. For a lot of people, the moment they hear go live, their stomach tightens, their confidence drops, and a dozen excuses show up immediately. I get it because I was there too. Most people don't avoid going live because they don't understand the strategy. They avoid it because of the fear of being judged, fear of messing up, fear of not knowing what to say, fear that nobody will show up. So today we're going to break that fear down, explain why going live matters so much in digital marketing, and give you a simple, realistic way to start using live video without pressure or perfection. So here's the truth most people don't tell you. Going live is not about being polished, it's about being present. Live video builds trust faster than almost anything else online because people see you unedited, unedited, sounds scripted and human. When someone hears your voice, sees your expressions, and feels your energy in real time, they know, the know, like, and trust process accelerates dramatically. That's why live video works. There are three main reasons going live matters in digital marketing. First, trust. People trust real people, not perfect posts. A live video removes the filter between you and your audience. They see that you're not hiding behind edits or captions. That alone builds credibility. Second, authority. Going live positions you as someone who leads conversations instead of someone who just posts content. Leaders speak, followers listen. Third, connection. Live video allows interaction, questions, comments, and real-time responses. That feedback teaches you exactly what your audience is thinking, struggling with, and is curious about. Now, let's talk about the algorithm side for a moment. Most platforms push live video harder than regular posts. Followers get notifications. Lives show up higher in feeds. Platforms want people to stay longer, and live video does that. So when you go live, you're not just connecting with people, you're also getting a natural visibility boost. But here's where people get stuck. They think going live means they need a big audience. It doesn't. They think going live means they need to teach something advanced. They don't. They think going live means they can't mess up. That's the biggest myth of all. Your first goal with live video is not performance, it's comfort. When you're new, success is simply pressing the button and speaking. That's it. Even if one person shows up, you've already won because confidence comes from repetition, not talent. So let's talk about how to overcome the fear. The fastest way to reduce fear is to shift the focus away from yourself. Instead of asking, what if I mess up? Ask, who might need to hear this today? When the goal becomes helping one person instead of impressing many, the pressure disappears. Next, start small. Your first lives don't need to be long. 5 minutes is enough. 10 minutes is plenty. You're building a habit. You're not hosting a show. And remember this, progress beats perfection. People don't connect with perfect delivery. They connect with honesty. Mistakes don't disqualify you. They humanize you. So now let's talk about what to say when you go live, because this is where people freeze. Here are some beginner-friendly live topics that work for any niche, any business, and any level of experience. You can share your story, why you started learning digital marketing, or whatever it is that you're promoting. What wasn't working before, what you're working toward it now. You can teach one simple lesson, one thing you learned this week, one mistake you made, and what it taught you. You can do casual Q&A. Invite questions, and if no one asks, answer the questions you know people usually have. You can explain a concept, something like how consistency works, how content builds trust, how attention turns into income. You can do a weekly recap, what you learned, what you tried, what surprised you. Notice none of these require you to be an expert. You only need to be one step ahead of somebody else in their journey. Here's an important mindset shift. Live video isn't about going viral. It's about building relationships. The replay matters. Even if nobody watches live, people will watch later. Your live becomes evergreen content that continues to work for you. So here's a simple structure for a beginner live. Start by saying who the live is for. If you're learning digital marketing and feel overwhelmed, this is for you. Share one idea or experience. End with an invitation. If this helped you, follow me for more, or go to the link in my bio, or drop a question below. That's it. No scripts, no pressure, no pretending to be someone you're not. Your action step today is simple. Schedule one live this week, just one. Choose a topic you already understand. Announce it in your stories or posts. Go live, speak honestly, then stop. Confidence doesn't come from waiting, it comes from doing. Going live isn't about being fearless, it's about being willing. And the people who grow the fastest online aren't the most polished, they're the most present.